Alright, more cicadas. You know, these are on my hydrangea and they're all over the place. Take a look at this guy. And you can hear them now much more clearly now that the sun is out and the temperature has risen. When I was out front before, I walked under the dogwood tree and I could hear the crunch. Well, let's go out here. And you can probably hear them even more. That must be exciting, watching me open the gate. Here's the butterfly garden. So far I've been pretty lucky and they haven't really done anything to the butterfly garden. I don't have, no, actually that's a Pinocchio nose. But you can hear them singing. And it just died down. They seem to go in a rising chorus and then they die down a little bit. And it seems like every time the breeze blows, you can hear a little dip in their song. Hydrangea out front are full of these little guys and their shells. As are the daylilies. And if you take a look at the trunk of the dogwood, you can see them marching up. And there are quite a few of them on the dogwood. You can see the motion and the little army line of guys coming up. This stinks. These are the shells that have come down from a large tree. You can see them all through the ground here. And the ground is moving because they're making their way up to the tree. I guess when they hatch, they pull off the tree. This is kind of stinky and crunchy, and I'm going to walk out of here.